If you want to be a fluent English speaker, you have to follow this two step. By this two step, you can be a fluent English speaker. So today in this video, I'm going to describe this two step. What can you follow? Assalamualaikum. This is Mufassel speaking in front of you, and welcome back to my page, Mufassel in Choice. So today in this video, I'm going to describe this two step, and by this following this two step, you can be a fluent English speaker, like a native speaker. So I'm also learning. I'm making this video for my practicing purpose, and I'm trying to give you some tips and tricks. These two tips and tricks. So okay, let's get started. The first step, you have to listen. Yeah, you listened right. You have to listen more and more. By listening, you can learn many things. You can feel confidence. So you have to see or listen more and more English vlog video. Don't say Bengali video. You can listen more and more English vlog video. By listening this, by watching this English vlog video, you can be feel confidence. You can be understand English from your mind, from your brain. You can catch some words by this, by listening, by watching English vlog video. Okay, and the second step, you have to practice. Yeah, you're right. You have to practice. You have to make video. You have to practice in front of mirror. You have to practice with yourself. You have to practice with your friends, with your family, with and the outside. Yeah. By practicing, we can find many facilities. Okay, let me explain. Okay, stay here. I'm explaining. So we are going to learning English language, not subject. Am I right? If you're right, so how we learned Bengali language? We can talk Bengali very well. We don't need to think anything. We can talk Bengali very well. Yeah. So when we are child, we talked many things. We listened many times. We practice. You can see how we practiced. Yeah, we practice a lot, because when we was able to speak a little bit, one or two words, that time we practice a lot with my friends, with our we wasn't any type of friends. Yeah, we had we practice with our mother, father, siblings, neighbors. That's all of them. We practice a lot, like a little bit. We was able to talk a little bit, and we was practice. We listened more and more word, more and more sentence from this. And after that, when we practice a lot, and nowadays we can talk Bengali very well. Yeah, we can, and we will do this for English. You need to follow just this two step. This two step. By following this two step, you can be a fluent English speaker. Yeah. Okay. So I think you all understand. So what is this two step? This two step. The first one is listening. That means watching many English vlog video with the subtitles. And the second one is practicing. Practicing is the key to success. If you practice, you can be a fluent English speaker. So be practice, be listen more and more for your learning journey. Be confidence, be practice, be listen. So wish you all the best for your journey, and pray for me as well. I'm also a learner. I'm learning. So pray for me as well. So wish you all the best. Have a good day. Keep enjoying your journey. Okay, Allah Hafiz.